Understanding, in the same camp, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, in the same camp. This idiom is widely used in both casual and formal conversations. So, let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it effectively in your daily English communication. In the same camp refers to having similar opinions, beliefs, or positions on a particular issue. When someone says they are in the same camp as another person, they mean they share the same viewpoint or stance. It's a metaphorical way of saying that two or more people are aligned or in agreement. The phrase, in the same camp, likely originates from the military context, where being in the same camp meant sharing the same base or side in a conflict. Over time, this term has been adopted metaphorically in everyday language to signify a similarity in opinion or stance, rather than a physical location. 1. In a debate, I'm in the same camp as Anna on this issue. We both believe that environmental conservation is crucial. 2. At work, our team is in the same camp regarding the new marketing strategy. We all agree it's the right approach. 3. In everyday conversations. Oh, you like jazz music too? I guess we're in the same camp. Use it to express agreement or shared viewpoints. It's suitable for both formal and informal settings. Can be used to foster a sense of unity or camaraderie among people with similar views. That's all about the phrase, in the same camp. I hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like these add color and expressiveness to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.